Wait.
Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we are discussing the word problems related to addition. Last class we discussed 2. Now let us see the third one. Okay. So directly we are going to the word problem. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me share the screen. So A and B we completed. If you have space in the same page, you can use that. Otherwise, take a fresh page and you can write C.
Ma'am, I can write.
Yes, you can write. And here I have C. Let's start.
Yes.
Please write. We can write together. Sanjay. It's the name of a boy. Sanjay. S-A-N-J-A-Y. S-A-N-J-A-Y. Sanjay.
Ma'am, please wait for me.
See, I just started only, my dear. Please write. Sanjay. If you can't see the board, means you are facing the network issue. I can't do anything. I will send the notes in the group. Sanjay read R-E-A-D. Aryan, sit down and write. Sanjay read 37 pages. P-A-G-E-S.
Sanjay spell.
S-A-N-J-A-Y.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, Sri Maria, right. Sanjay read 37 pages of a book. It's a word problem, no? So it will take time. So please start first. Sanjay read 37 pages of a book.
What is the spelling of pages?
Pages. P-A-G-E-S.
Ma'am, page is P-A-G-I-R-E.
E-S.
Ma'am, Sanjay is R-E-A-D or R-I-A-D.
In Sanjay, where is R and all? Sun, S-A-N, J-J-A-Y.
Ma'am, page spelling is S-O-R-E.
Sanjay read 37 pages. P-A-G-E-S. Pages of a book.
Ma'am.
Sanjay, S-A-N-J-A-Y.
Next.
Read, R-E-A-D. Read.
Tan, tan, tan,
Who is making sound? Sanjay read 37 pages of a book on Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Sanjay read 37 pages of a book on Saturday.
Ma'am, Saturday spelling.
What is the spelling of Saturday? Tell me. You are studying class 1, no? Saturday spelling. Sat. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y.
D-A-Y. Saturday.
Sanjay read 37 pages of a book on Saturday and the remaining T-H-E, the remaining R-E-M-A-I-N ing.
What is the spelling of read?
Remaining. Remainin. Remaining. What is left over? That's
And
only
once
remaining.
more. Tell once more.
Sanjay read 37 pages of a book on Saturday and the remaining.
Say one more time. Remaining.
Remainin.
Thank you, ma'am.
28 pages. Remaining 28 pages on Sunday. Sanjay read 37 pages of a book on Saturday and the remaining 28 pages on Sunday. How many pages? How many pages Krishnapriya, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many pages did I will complete the question and I will give you time to write. Did the book have
Ma'am, what is the
in
spelling?
all? So I complete the question. You take time and write the question and find out the answer also. You have to write the steps also. So read the question carefully. Sanjay read 37 pages of a book on Saturday and the remaining 28 pages on Sunday. How many pages did the book have in all?
Ma'am, this slanting lines. Ma'am,
Yes.
which book?
Which book? I didn't understand the question. One book Sanjay read and Johan. In that book, there are on Saturday the boy read 37 pages. Then the next day, Sunday, he read 28 pages. It's a question from other book only, Johan, not this book and all. I just give you question, that's all. Okay. One boy read one book. So he read the book 37 pages on Saturday and 20 pages on Sunday. We have to find out how many pages are there in all. Understood, John?
65.
Yes, John?
Had finished. And not that. Which book we have to write?
Notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, you didn't start even.
Ma'am, one net problem. That's
Then
why.
and it's okay. It's okay. See, so you do one thing. If you are starting from the beginning, it will take time. So you read the question and I will send the notes in the group. That day you complete the question. We can write the answer together. Okay. Question for question, you leave 3 or 4 lines. Answer you will write together. Okay, John?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Adinad, are you writing?
Finish 28 pages
on Sunday. Edelan,
no, let's complete it.
you didn't have your lunch. Edel, you had your lunch.
I food half only. Answer 65.
Yes, your answer is correct. Did you write the steps?
Ma'am, 37 plus 28
Yes, your answer is correct.
is
Did you write the
65.
steps? Did you
And
write the
the answer
steps?
is 65.
Yes, your answer is correct, my dear. Your answer is correct. So let's write the answer together.
Yes.
Yes. So, Jewel Maria, read the question once again. Sanjay.
Sanjay read 37.
So let's round the number 37. Okay. 37 pages of a book. Continue.
A book on Sunday.
On
And,
Saturday.
On Saturday.
And the remaining 28 pages. So we can round the number 28 pages on
Sunday.
Very good. Now, what is the question? What we have to find out?
How many pages did the book have?
You can see the word in all. It's related to what?
Addition.
It's related to addition. So for finding the answer, we have to add the numbers. Now let's write the answer. So let's write the first step. The number of pages. Johan, now you can write the answer. Okay. Number of pages. Number of pages read on Saturday. How many pages he read on Saturday? Joel Maria.
Pages.
How many pages, Joel Maria? 37. So equal to 37. Now the same line we can repeat. And instead of Saturday, we can write Sunday. Okay, Ayush. Good. So number of pages. Read on Sunday. Equal to, what's the number? Ayush, what about on Sunday? How many pages?
Sunday. 28.
Very good. So equal to 28. Now, what is the question on what we have to find out? How many pages did the book have in all? So let's write the step. Good, very good. Number of pages. The book had in all. In all. The same word we are using. In all. So it's addition. So we have to add the numbers. And here we have 37 plus 28. You can see both numbers are two-digit numbers having two places, tens and ones. So let's mark the places first. So tens and ones. Now let's write the first number 37. The second number 28. Let's put a plus symbol. We have to start from the ones place. So Jewel Maria, at ones place we have 7 plus 8. What's the answer? 7 plus 8?
15.
15. So let's write that in number 15. So this is a two-digit number. We have to regroup it. So 15 means 1, 10 and 5 ones. So ones place digit is 5. So that we can write here. The tens place will move to here. So here we have 1 plus 3. What's the answer, Jewel? 1 plus 3?
is equal to
Yeah.
4.
Adding 4, adding 1 to a number. Now we have to add 4 plus 2. What's the answer? 4 plus 2.
5.
Eh? Once again. 4 plus 2.
6.
6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So now you can write the answer. 65 pages.
Ma'am, the answer is 65.
No, yes, 65 pages. Yes, Anaya, 65 pages. Okay, Naya, good. Ayush, did you complete the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you got the number 65 pages?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Maren, what's the answer? You got it?
Got it. 65 pages.
Okay, 65 pages.
Pages. Ma'am, Ilmere got the answer.
Okay, okay. Henry Baiju, you got the answer, 65 pages?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about the Austrian? You got the answer 65, Austrian?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruva,
Yes, ma'am.
you got the answer 65.
Yes, ma'am.
Megadosh, what happened?
Completed.
37 plus 28 is equal to 65. So altogether or in all, there are 65 pages. Okay, Joel Maria, good girl. Vidyu, you got the answer 65?
In all. Ma'am, I got the answer 65.
Okay, good.
Answer I got is 65.
Okay, okay, good, good.
Got 65.
Is there anyone to complete the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now you please quiet and listen to me. See, so all this A, B, and C, I gave the problem. Okay, you read the problem, you understood the problem, you got some information from the problem, you also solved the problem. No? Now I am giving the answer. You have to make the problem or you have to make the story sum. Now I will give you one example. Okay, one digit number, let me give you. And the question is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So for this addition fact, I have to make a question or I have to make a story sum. It is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. No? Yes, Sridhar? Yes, Sridhar?
Ma'am, it's the writing over. I wasn't so I wasn't in the class, ma'am.
It's okay, Sridhar. I will send the notes. You don't worry. Now you please listen here. Listen here. See, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So that is the answer. So you have to make a question. I am making the question. Please listen to me. Like that, you have to also do it. See, there are 5 oranges in a basket. Okay. There are 5 oranges in a basket and 2 apples on other basket. Now it's 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, no? So it is plus. So I can use the addition related words. How many fruits are there in all? Understood? Understood? How many fruits are there in all? I make the story. So the same way I will give you one example. One addition fact I will give you. You have to make the story. You can use your own words. And the question is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. How you will make story? No need to write. Now you please listen. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7.
After the class.
One at a time. One at a time. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7.
In one tree there are 4 apples, and the other tree there are 3 apples in all.
Yes, that's good. Once again, Malavika. There are
4 apples in one tree. And 3 apples on another tree. How many apples are there in all?
Very good, very good. You use another line. It's okay. Now, anyone else can make any story about this? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Instead of apple, you can use another one. Chocolates. One at a time. One at a time. I can't hear. Who is going to say now?
Mary, Rihan.
Okay. Others, please be quiet. Others, please be quiet. Rihan, tell me.
5 apples are in trees.
There are 5 apples in one tree. Okay.
One tree.
And 5 plus 2. So you already take 5. Now the next number is 2. So there are 5 apples on one tree. Then the next number 2. So 2 apples on another tree. Okay. 2 apples on another tree. No need to tell me the answer. You have to make the story, make the problem. So you can say there are 5 apples on one tree and 2 apples on another tree. How many apples are there all together? Okay. Now, Jewel Maria is telling another one. Now you can leave the apples. You use another objects. Okay, Jewel Maria, you can tell.
A boy.
Yeah.
2 pencils.
Very good.
1 eraser.
Very good. Very good. You can say a boy has 5 pencils in hand. Okay, and 2 pens also. 5 pencils and 2 pens. Altogether, how many are there? You got the same thing. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Anyone else? Junaida is telling. Others please be quiet. Okay, Junaida, tell me.
3.
Junaida.
A boy has 5 balls.
And
another boy has 2 balls. How many balls?
How many balls are there altogether, or how many balls are there in all? Okay, so this is the way we are framing a story sum. Now, instead of one digit number, Aradhi is telling. Aradhi want to tell? Okay, now Aradhi, tell me one story. Your story.
There are 2 birds.
Yes, it's about the birds. Good.
And how many birds are there in all?
Very good, very good. Okay, now we use the 1-digit numbers. Now, if it is a 2-digit number, the same thing. Let's write one question. So it will be easy for you. Sandra, want to say?
Then Henry can.
Then after writing, I will give you time. Okay, after writing one question, I will give you time. Let me share the screen. Please take the notebook. Let's write one question. Please mute your device. We can use the same page. Okay, we can use the same page. Now let's write. You can write G. G, and here we are framing a story sum. So you can write frame. Frame meaning you have to make. F-R-A-M-E. Frame. Frame a story sum. It's a sum. It's related to sum. So you can use some related words. In all together, together, or total. These words you can use. Frame a story sum. F-R-A-M-E. Frame a story sum. And here I am giving the number A. We can write one here. Please be quiet. 42 plus 33 is equal to 75. So this is a question. 42 plus 33 is equal to 75. I will write one answer here. If you want to write that, you can write. Otherwise, you can write your own words. Here I am using the chocolates. If you want to use another objects, you can write that. No problem.
Ma'am, we can frame a story.
Yeah. 42 plus 33 is equal to 75. You can frame a story. So here I am making one story. If you want to make another one, you can do it. No problem. Yes.
You write.
Yes, we have to write. There are.
I can see the board.
You are facing the network issue. That's right. There are.
We can write 3-digit number.
No. 2-digit number is enough, my dear. There are 42 chocolates. In one box. There are 42 chocolates in one box. And the next number, that is 33. 33 chocolates. It's a simple one. In the other box. Yes. C-H-O choco. C-O C-H-O-C-O L-A-T-E-S chocolates. In the other box.
Chocolate.
How many chocolates are there?
In all. There are 25 boxes. Chocolate.
In both the boxes.
In one and one. Ma'am, I frame a question.
Okay. Please tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Malavika, tell me.
Johan has 42 mangoes and 3 oranges.
Very good.
How many are there in all?
How many fruits are there? How many fruits are there all together? Or how many fruits are there in all? Both oranges and apples are fruits, no? So we can use how many fruits are there in all. Okay, good, Malavika. Anyone else? Any other answer? Okay, tell me, Adinath. Yes, tell me, Adinath, tell me.
Scooby buy
Ah,
42 toys.
very good. And
Jack buy
ah,
33 toys.
very good, Adinath.
How many toys are there in all?
How many toys are there in all? Very good, Adinath. Good boy. Then, John Judy,
Another spelling.
I will give you one more question that you have to make your own. The same way. John Judy, are you ready? Will you tell me another story?
There are 25 fox in one forest and
Yes. See, please listen. John Judy is telling now. Yeah, I will send it. John Judy. See, John Judy, listen. It is given here 42 and 33. So you have to use that numbers. Okay. You can make a different story, but use the same number. Okay. Good. Now you can continue. Okay, I will ask you. Like.
There are 42 fox in one forest and 33 fox 33 tigers on another forest.
On the same forest, no problem. In the same forest, no problem. Okay.
Forest. How many
animals are there?
How many animals are there?
All together or in all? Okay, good, very good. Now, Henry. Now, Henry, after Henry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Henry, tell me.
There are 42 chocolates on one box and 33 chocolates in the other box. How many chocolates are there in both the box?
Henry, the same answer, no? If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay. Now, Mohammed
Rihan.
Oh, it's okay. We have only 2 more minutes. I will give one more question. You frame it. Okay, 32 plus 22 is equal to
Apples. How many apples
54.
are?
This you make.
32 plus
22 is equal to 54.
Ma'am,
Yes. 32 plus 22 is equal to 54. So this you do by yourself. And be ready with the workbook tomorrow. We completed the chapter of addition and we have to start the exercise on tomorrow. So please be ready with the workbook. Part 1 itself.
Ma'am, after you workbook, you tell today the workbook.
Marin, what was your answer for the last question?
Sania has 42 chocolates and Arun has
33.
33 chocolates. How many chocolates they both have in all?
Very good. Now, the other one, Hayan. Very good, Marin. Hayan, tell me your.
There are 45.
Not 45, 42.
45.
42.
42 wolves in the forest. There
And 33.
and 33 wolves wolves in
Ah.
the zoo.
Ah.
How many wolves are there in all?
Very good, very good.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now it's time to winding up the session. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, you can frame for the second one. So I'm going to stop sharing. So thank you for joining. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.